This one quote really hits home for me. When I think about it, it drives the point home about the need for additional income streams. And I'm talking about income streams that isn't directly tied to your daily job, like the 9 to 5 work we all do. I'm talking about passive income. That's income that comes to you when you're not actively working, and this kind of income can make a huge difference in your financial situation. You see, for Dorena and I, we both spent hours looking and thinking about ways to create passive income. We absolutely needed to find a way to build up our retirement, and we needed a way to end the stress of living paycheck to paycheck. In my career, I've worked 70 to 80-hour work weeks, and I thought this was the only way to get ahead. I spent way too many years and too many work hours away from my family. I was working for someone else's dreams, lining someone else's pockets, and definitely not getting ahead. I wasn't creating that retirement that we needed, and I certainly wasn't finding the relief we needed to help end how money was short every month, and creating income streams that didn't take us out of the house or away from our families. We both realized that we needed a way out, and we needed a way to start over. But neither of us had the money to go back to school, and we couldn't take on another student loan. It simply wasn't an option. So here's what happened. We came across a training program that showed us a new way to make a living without expensive schooling or taking years to learn. And for us, it just made sense. Now, we've learned how to take back some control and guide our own financial situations. So we found a system that teaches affiliate marketing step by step, and it was a perfect fit. It just checked off so many boxes for us, like the ability to work from home, be able to work when and where you want, the ability to build multiple income streams, and that just helped in so many ways, just on and on. So we've shared with you a link below that you can watch a video from Dave Sharp. Now, Dave Sharp was written about in Forbes magazine. He's someone who's been doing affiliate marketing for over a decade, and he's taught thousands of others his system. Dave has helped create more 6- and 7-figure marketers than anyone else currently online. So on the next page, Dave's going to talk to you a little bit about himself, how he got started, and he's going to offer you an opportunity for a 15-day business challenge. This is the very same program that we learned to do affiliate marketing, and it started us on a path to rebuild our lives financially. And more to the point, what you're going to learn from this course will directly help you set up streams of passive income and make that money while you sleep. So if this sounds interesting to you, if you're willing and wanting to change the course of your life and financial situation, do it now. Our only regret is that we didn't try this sooner, and I can promise you, you will not be wasting your time. Click the button below, give it a listen, and then decide for yourself. We hope to see you on the inside.